Hello students, today we are going to discuss about chapter 4 admission of a partner. So whenever there is an admission of a partner, then the firm is also reconstituted. So the existing agreement comes to an end and a new agreement came into force. So whenever a new partner enter into the partnership firm, then he'll be liable for the liabilities of the firm, and at the end of the time he will be eligible, he will be entitled for the share of assets and profit and loss of the firm. So it is mode of reconstitutive because existing agreement comes to an end and new agreement came into force. Whenever new partner come into the business, he will contribute the capital and he will also bring the share of goodwill. So a new partner can admit in two situations. First, if there is a partnership deed, and if the partnership deed is not there, then the consent of all the partner is necessary for entering into an agreement. So whenever a new partner enter into an agreement, or enter into a new firm, then six adjustment will be done at the time of admission of a partner. First, change in profit sharing ratio, because the previous partner is having the ratio, and whenever a new partner enters into the business firm, then the profit sharing ratio will be changed. Second one, goodwill, because whenever a new partner enters, he'll bring the goodwill, so that goodwill or existing goodwill will be transferred to old partner capital account. Third one is gain or loss on that at the time of revaluation. Fourth is deferred revenue expenditure, for example advertisement expenditure, that benefit will give in the future. And next is reserves accumulated profit that will be transferred, and last is adjustment of capital. So now we are going to discuss first topic, change in profit sharing ratio. Change in profit sharing ratio, when the new partner share of the profit is given and the old partner existing share is not given, then in first situation, for example, there are two partners, the ratio is 5 is to 3, and C is going to be admitted, and his new share is 1/4. So find new profit sharing ratio. In this situation, we have to calculate new profit sharing ratio. Select total share of the three partners will be 1. So remaining share means C share is 1/4. So 1 minus 1/4 is remaining share of two partners, that is A and B, is 3/4. So whenever we are going to calculate new profit sharing ratio, then first A's previous ratio is 5 is to 8, 5 by 8, multiply remaining share, that comes out to be 15 by 32. Next B, 3 by 8 multiply 3 by 5, remaining ratio, that is 9 by 32. And C is 1/4. So denominator should be equal, so that is why we are going to multiply uh, by 8, so 8 by 32. Then the new profit sharing ratio would be 15 ratio 9 ratio 8. So this is about the first case, whenever the new profit sharing new partner share is given and the previous partner is not given. So we have to calculate new profit sharing ratio. As per this, you have to calculate ratio and you have to solve the practical as well.